Alright, today I have in the Arkfeld Ultra from Olight. It's a flashlight, an EDC flashlight, everyday carry. Do a little unboxing here. Flashlight itself. Sleek design. Okay, some of the main features of the Olight Arkfeld Ultra. It's got the toggle switch here. Well, first, it's got a little button in the center here to turn it on. Just hold it. And you can see it's got an indicator on the charge. This one is going to need to be charged. Oh, there we go. We got 3 bars. Goes to 4. First off, we got the laser. It's really good for the cat or for a pointer. You can see that good. Next, we have just the main light. It's got 3 settings on the light, 3 intensities. (1400 luma on the brightest, but of course it does use up the battery sooner. Press it twice, you got a strobe. Good security feature. And you toggle it all the way over. And you got the blue light. It's good for cleaning or picking up any type of body fluids. It's got the lifetime warranty. The sleek design, flat style flashlight. It's got a clip. You clip it on your pocket or on your shirt, or you can even clip it on your hat. Nice. Very tough, very durable. The battery indicator, we went over that. It's got a magnet here. Stick. And also in the pack, there is this challenge coin. Look at that. Isn't that special? Okay, what else we got in the box? In the bottom, got the instruction card. Just basically tells you the operations, do's and don'ts, read me. And there should be a charger in here. Instruction manual, user manual. Tells you on all aspects of it. Operation, care, maintenance. And the charger itself. USB plug-in. The nice thing about this, just sticks right on the back magnet. Beautiful. So I'm going to get it charged up more, and then we'll do some features with it. I'll use it a few times. Maybe take a nice little walk in the bush tonight. Check it out. See if the cat likes it. Okay, when charging it, just plug it on in as per normal, and indicates red. And it'll turn green when it's fully charged. Just charging it up with my EB55 from Blue Eddy. I think the cat likes it. That's good because this cat doesn't get a lot of exercise, so it's going to be great for exercising your pet. Okay, the white light operation. You just press on, and you press and hold. You get moonlight operation, and then you press it 3 times, you got the turbo light. It's very bright, 1400 lumina. And if you double press again, strobe light. Very straightforward. Okay, for the laser, you just toggle to the center, to laser. Press it on. If you double press it, it'll have the laser with the white light. Okay, for the UV, you just toggle all the way to the left. Indicates the UV. Press it on. And you got your UV for helping you with cleaning, body fluids, checking money.